Hello everyone and welcome to our draft solution. My name is Katie and I'm so excited to share with you how you can create original and top quality writing in just a matter of seconds. Let's get started, shall we? So as you can see on the bottom here, we offer two writing modes, quick mode and advanced. You can use quick mode for when you have a simple topic or a few keywords in mind to generate a fully structured first draft from title to abstract, introduction to conclusion. If you've done some research or found solutions to problems that you'd like to elaborate on, you're going to use the advanced mode. Let me demonstrate for you here with a topic, our findings. Once you've entered the text into the box, you're going to press enter, and Publish will then generate for you 5 potential titles, an abstract, introduction, and conclusion paragraph. If you'd like to see further options, you can click the top right. If you'd like to see further options, you can press the top right plus icon. And when you are satisfied with all of the options on the page, you can press Save Document to export to our smartboard, an editable page for further adjustments, or use the copy and paste icon on the top right. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We trust that this tutorial has enhanced your understanding of our solution and its ability to aid you in creating exceptional writing with maximum efficiency.